matrix B times matrix D. So let's first make sure that these two matrices conform to multiplication. I'm just going to, because I can't type up there. Matrix B has 2 rows and 3 columns, so that's the dimensions of matrix B. And matrix D has 3 rows and 3 columns. So the inner dimensions match. That means we're going to have a 2 by 3 matrix to finish this one out. So if we draw that out, there's 2 rows and there's 3 columns. Okay, so to find out what goes in the first row, this is the first row, first column. So we're going to use the first row of matrix B and the first column of matrix D to determine it. And that means we're going to be multiplying 4 times 2, the first element of the first row, first element of the first column, and then add that to the second element, 6 times 8, and then we got 5 times 0. Let's see, that's 8 plus 48, so that's 56. So it looks like we got 56 here. And that's it. So just like in the other videos, you just keep going in that same process. This is the first row, second column. So you use the first row of matrix B and this second column of D. So we're going to do 4 times -3, and then 6 times 3, and then 5 times 7. 12 plus 18 plus 35. So that's 6 plus 35, which makes 41. And for the last, in the first row, this is first row, third column, so we use the first row and the third column. So that's 4 times 11, 6 times 1, and then 5 times -11. So we got 44 plus 6 plus -55. So I'm going to do 44 plus -55 first, and then -11 plus 6 makes -5. There we go. That's nice. Okay, so this is now second row, first column. So I'm going to use the second row of matrix B in the first column of matrix D. So -9 times 2, 0 times 8, and then 12 times 0. I just went across the first row and the second column to determine those numbers. So we're going to get -18 there. This is second row, second column. So second row of matrix B, second column of D. -9 times -3. 0 times 3. 12 times 7 makes 27 plus 0 plus 84. I better double check. I get these wrong sometimes. Yeah. And then, if we add those together, yeah, 111. Okay, and then the last one, that's the last element to fill out in our answer matrix. It is second row, third column. So second row of B, third column of D. So -9 times 11 plus 0 times 1 plus 12 times -11. Plus -99 plus 0 plus whatever the heck that is, plus -132. Then you add those together, -231.